This is an old Apple II floppy drive that looks like it spent some time on the Titanic. Got so thoroughly wet and then dried so that the cardboard box it was in, glued to it in several places. It arrived in a bag like this. I was rather disappointed. I expected it to be in better condition than this. But, oh well. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Let's see if this thing is savable, salvageable, something like that. Do I have scissors? No, I don't have scissors here. Alright. I'll be able to start a slice with this. There we go. Yes. I make a royal mess on my desk. Not that my desk isn't already a mess. Alright, so the connector is all full of crud and corrosion. That's just nasty. So that's going to need some serious rejuvenation. Cable's all stiff and dirty. Drive is all dirty. Okay, we got some cardboard stuck to the front of this thing. Apple logo's intact. Mechanism still works. So that's a plus. But I can see corrosion on the aluminum down inside here, so that's not a good sign. I can also see a metal shield in here that's all rusty, and here. I don't know what kind of box it was stored in, if it was the original box or not, but yeah. The guy that had this had a whole bunch of them for sale on Facebook. Oh man, those are not turning. This may be the end of this video if I can't get these to unscrew. Wow. Okay, those two will unscrew. I think I have an easy out somewhere here in the apartment. I gotta figure out where. Okay, of course the first two come out, or these two come out because they were recessed, so they got a little bit of protection in there. But these were, sticking out, so there's no protection for these guys. Okay, I may need a drill. Let's see what I can find. Well, good news. I found my screw extractors. I wouldn't have thought I could. But put on my glasses and we will go to town. I'll take the smaller of the three sizes. One of them's missing. Yeah, it's going to be fine. So, this thing is reverse, and it's got a nice bite on it, so it's just going to bite in there and take it out. Or take the head off. I don't care which. I just need it gone. Well, it's certainly not biting in and removing the screw. Almost. This one's almost out, so I should try and get some pliers on that. There's the one that did come out. How does this thing come apart? Oh, there's two more screws back here. These are not rusty at all. Alright, there we go. Ooh, look at that. Yes, indeed. She was fully soaked. Okay, now we're done drilling out screws. We can resume normal electronics troubleshooting. Well, normal as you can get. It's an Alps mechanism. That's nice. And Start up here and work our way down. I don't expect any more screws to fail me. I think I taught them a lesson. Oof. There we go. Yeesh. Look at that. That's no good. Some kind of a, yeah, adjustable pot right there is all rusty. We got all these resistors are rusty. The connector's going down to the heads. Or head, I don't know if it's got two or one. It's probably just one. Drive indicator. I'm just going to unplug all this and work my way down. There we go. Got a little capacitor, a little inductor, some more caps. Not much for caps on this thing though. This is the interface cable right here. I don't even have an Apple II to test this on. This is, you know, I bought it because, hey, the price was right. I think it was just charging shipping, so can't be too mad. But man, was I upset when I got this. I'm like, this is a waste. Maybe I was more upset that it had been ruined by somebody, but at least he was trying to save it. Sending it to collectors. Alrighty, there's that. So there's the circuit board. There's a Hitachi chip on the back. That actually doesn't look bad back here. So I could just, you know, clean this up. I don't know about these two adjustable pots. That looks worrisome, but everything else probably just clean up. Oh, this is bad. Okay, that can go on the top. Should probably put this in the top as well. Yes, this is a single-headed drive. Okay, let's grab one of my dead floppies. I have so many dead floppies. That was another thing I made a mistake of doing, was buying somebody's massive collection of used floppies, and they were all junk. Just absolutely all junk. Mildew or something. Anyways. Blank, no label, no brand, just shame. Oh dang, look at that. Just sticking it in, I get some of this corrosion all over it. There we go. It actually works better than I expected it to. Alright, let's keep digging. How do I get the rest of you out? I wonder if all I had to do was these two back screws to get the top off, and the ones I did on the... Okay, this comes out now. Now, to get this front off. Come on. There we go. Okay. Got the drive mechanism out of this. It's so weird. I don't know how that's supposed to come apart. It's like it's not supposed to come apart. I don't get it. Anyways. Still got what's left of this in the way. There we go. Okay, so there's that rusty cache. Hey, it's still got a belt on it. Oh boy. Spindle motor didn't want to turn. There we go. Now it's spinning. Oh, it seized again. Oh, that's so bad. Another circuit board that's just seen nothing good. It's a stepper controller. I don't know. Might be the motor controller. Okay. There's the front of it. Just, it's so bad. This motor is no good for anything. You might be able to take the head out of it and save that, but sheesh. What a shame. So yeah, this thing is just well and truly destroyed. What a shame. Careful who you're buying from. This guy should have thrown them away himself, not, you know, wasted everybody's time and money. I gotta clean my desk off. Look at that mess. Alright, thanks for watching.